Welcome to Aster Bliss, where beauty, elegance and timeless romance comes together to enhance your style and bring you pure joy. Shoot is going to start with that first piece. I'm going to wear it, so you're going to see the look quite soon. Every stitch, every design, every detail of this collection is a piece of a beautiful story we are crafting just for you. Classic piece, and it's something that will work with all age groups. Come up with this collection, which is something that is really close to my heart. The collection is all about femininity, floral and soft colors, and someone who likes this kind of vintage romance theme. I'm sure that person will definitely like the collection. Finally, we were happy with the kind of output that we got together, and I'm really excited, but more than that, I'm really nervous with the kind of response that I would get for this collection. It doesn't matter because it's going to be my first collection. I'm happy with it. I did it finally. The makeup that we have done is quite settled with like very bold lips. We have the winged liner because of the collection that we have. Hair that we are going to do is going to be like quite simple and chic and something that's classic, nothing too unique. So I like to keep it that way.